We are here to celebrate the moment of immense pride for the entire state of Manipur. The cadet Sweetie Lyson, present second command, Kartavya Part 2026 Republic Day Parade, New Delhi, also as contingent commander of NAR in 2025 AIVCS. Second, Coach Konsam Mairav Singh, only CD cadet from Manipur who attend RDC 2026, did as a West cadet of the Yearwing NAR and attend the Prime Minister Rally Parade. Also present NAR in shooting in AIVCS 2025. 3. CUO Nidozam Pinky Devi attend the Prime Minister Rally Parade held in New Delhi, Republic Day Camp 2026. SUO Litangthem Chanchan Devi, present as second command in the Prime Minister Rally Parade held at New Delhi, Republic Day Camp 2026. 5. SUO Sujita Waiko, third position in the All India NCC Inter-Directorate Sports and Shooting Competition held at Maharashtra. 6. Cadet Stephen Samus Sambar, fourth position in All India NCC Inter-Directorate Sports and Shooting Championship held at Maharashtra. And 7. Cadet P. Sylvester, selected in the Short Service Commission for NCC Special Entry Scheme at 14 SSB Allahabad. Our state proud for participating this year events, and they have filled the heart of every Manipurist with pride and joy. And you are the athlete of the new Manipur, and Manipur that is peaceful, progressive, and prosperous. I assure that the government of Manipur is committed to creating an environment where the youth can thrive. I congratulate the NCC Group's headquarters in for their relentless effort to shaping the future of our state. I wish the cadets great success in the future. Thank you. Jai Hind.